So she's a little dirty, but this is what she looks like now. We got new wheels, rim protectors, anodized red hubs, brake cable clamp, yellow seal savers, red breakaway levers that I don't need because I got these brush guards that I love, air bleeders,
I got my dad's glasses on.
new grips, oh, anodized red gas cap, red cylinder covers. Oh, I need a new cover here for my throttle cable. Oh yeah, the new wheels, new yellow vent hoses, red fuel line, red radiator hoses. Oh, what else here? I need a new seat cover. Oh yeah, brake clevis, vent lines. I need a new mud flap here. But red spacers kept my sprocket black. And I haven't rode her yet. And I really want to ride it this weekend. New tires, Maxxis Cross IT. Love this bike.